Fatty liver is one of the most common health problems today. Yet most people don't even realize they have it. There is no pain. No warning signs. But silently, fat keeps building inside the liver. The good news is this. Your liver has an amazing ability to heal itself. In this video, you will learn top natural foods that help reverse fatty liver, improve liver function, and support overall health. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last food is extremely powerful. What is fatty liver? Fatty liver happens when excess fat accumulates in liver cells. This condition is mainly caused by excess sugar intake, refined carbohydrates, fried and processed foods, alcohol consumption, insulin resistance. Over time, fatty liver can lead to constant tiredness, weight gain around the belly, poor digestion, inflammation, and serious liver disease. But food plays a huge role in reversing this condition naturally. Let's start with the first food. Number 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are one of the best foods for liver health. Vegetables like spinach, broccoli, kale, fenugreek leaves. They are rich in chlorophyll, fiber, antioxidants. These nutrients help reduce fat buildup in the liver, improve insulin sensitivity, remove toxins from the body. Studies show that leafy greens activate enzymes that help burn fat stored in the liver. How to consume: eat at least 1 bowl daily. Lightly cooked or raw works best. Number 2. Lemon and citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are extremely beneficial for fatty liver. Lemon, orange, and amla are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants. They help improve liver detoxification, reduce oxidative stress, support fat metabolism. Lemon water especially stimulates bile production, which helps break down fat inside the liver. Best way: drink warm lemon water on an empty stomach. Avoid adding sugar. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic is a natural liver cleanser. It contains allicin, selenium. These compounds help activate liver detox enzymes, reduce liver fat, improve metabolism. Research suggests garlic consumption can lower body weight, reduce liver fat, improve cholesterol levels. How to eat: crush 1 or 2 garlic cloves. Consume with meals or warm water. Number 4. Healthy fats. Many people think all fats are bad. But healthy fats are essential for liver repair. Foods like avocado, olive oil, walnuts, flax seeds. They contain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats help reduce liver inflammation, improve fat breakdown, lower triglycerides, replace refined oils with cold-pressed oils for better liver health. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea is rich in powerful antioxidants called catechins. These antioxidants reduce fat storage in the liver, improve liver enzyme levels, boost fat burning. Drinking green tea regularly can support long-term liver repair. How to drink 1 to 2 cups daily. No sugar. Drink it warm. Number 6. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are excellent for fatty liver. Examples include lentils, chickpeas, kidney beans. They are high in plant protein, dietary fiber. They help control blood sugar, reduce insulin resistance, prevent fat accumulation. Replacing refined carbs with legumes is one of the best dietary changes you can make. Food number 7. Turmeric, most powerful. Turmeric is one of the strongest natural remedies for liver health. It contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin helps reduce liver inflammation, improve bile flow, protect liver cells. Scientific studies suggest turmeric can slow fatty liver progression, improve liver enzyme levels. Best way to consume: turmeric with black pepper. Mix in warm water or milk. Consistency is key. Foods to avoid. Even the best foods won't help if these are not avoided: sugar and sweets, soft drinks, white bread and refined flour, fried and packaged foods. These foods increase liver fat and delay healing. Fatty liver can be reversed with the right foods, simple habits, and patience. Your liver can heal naturally. Start today. Choose natural foods. Support your body. Thank you for watching Nature Food Facts. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay healthy, and see you soon in the next video.